Imagine turning any photo, your pet, your family, your favorite memory, into a sellable DIY art kit in under 60 seconds. No design skills, no crafting, no software. Just upload a photo and boom, you've got a printable, gift ready art kit you can sell or give away. That's exactly what this brand new tool, Line Art Studio AI, does. And it's exploding right now on Warrior Plus. Stay tuned, because in this video, I'll show you what it does, how it works, all the upgrades, and a crazy bonus bundle you're getting if you grab it through the link below. Here's my honest verdict up front. Line Art Studio AI is one of the most practical and profitable AI tools I've seen this quarter. It bridges two massive markets, AI and handmade gifts, and lets anyone create printable products that actually sell. If you're into digital downloads, Etsy, or side hustles that don't need fancy tech, this is a total no-brainer. So what exactly is Line Art Studio AI? It's a 100% browser-based photo-to-art kit generator. You simply upload any photo, a person, pet, couple, house, anything, and it automatically converts it into a ready-to-sell printable DIY kit. You get two formats. Line art kits, simple number-guided line drawings your buyers can trace or color. String art kits, patterns that show where to wrap thread to create 3D art pieces. You can sell these kits as digital downloads, gift them, or even make the physical art and sell it for a higher price. No software to install, no monthly fees, and yes, it works on all devices. This is perfect for beginners, Etsy sellers, print-on-demand creators, crafters, or even anyone looking for a new side hustle. Now, let's jump inside the dashboard so you can see how easy this actually is. On the home screen, you'll see the simple workflow: upload, customize, export. Step 1. Click Upload Photo. I'm going to use a pet portrait here. Next, choose whether you want a line art kit or a string art kit. You can switch between monochrome or color, adjust detail levels, and preview changes instantly. Once you're happy, click Export, and Line Art Studio AI instantly generates a complete printable PDF kit, including the art design, a materials list, and easy step-by-step instructions. You can sell that file immediately or print it to gift. The best part? You can do this unlimited times. No token limits, no watermarks, no nonsense. Now, let's talk upgrades, because this funnel is actually very well structured. Front end, you get the full Line Art Studio AI app, commercial license, and the holiday marketing bonuses for around $16 to $37, depending on the dime sale. OTO1, Marketing Kit, $17, includes 8 themed marketing packs with Canva mockups, email swipes, ad copy, and pricing ideas. Perfect if you want to start selling fast. OTO2, Craft Maker Suite, $47 to $147, adds 3 new creative tools: Cross Stitch Maker, Paper Cut Portrait Builder, and Color by Numbers Generator. OTO3, White Label License, $47.97. This one's huge. It lets you rebrand and sell your own version of Line Art Studio AI. If you want everything, they also offer a $197 bundle at checkout that unlocks all upgrades at once. Now, when you grab Line Art Studio AI through the link below, I've put together an exclusive App Verdict bonus pack, easily worth over $2,000. You'll get instant access to all of these bonuses the moment you purchase. WP Slideshow Master. Create eye-catching slideshows for your art listings or sales pages. WP Swift Page Plugin. Speed up your website and boost SEO instantly. Lead Book Generator. Capture leads directly from Facebook into your email list. WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers inside emails for urgency. Sociultima. Drive free traffic from all major social media platforms. Affiliate system for product owners. Build your own affiliate program if you grab the white label upgrade. PowerList Pro. Grow your list with animated pop-ups and forms. Promo Video Secrets. Learn how to create scroll-stopping videos for your art kits. Auto Support Bot. Add automated live chat to your craft store or landing page. WP Video Focus. Keep visitors watching your videos even while scrolling. And there's more inside. These are just the top 10. But here's the catch. These bonuses are only available for the next 48 hours or until the bonus quota is filled. Once they're gone, they're gone. So if you want all this, grab your copy through the link below this video before it expires. So here's my final take. Line Art Studio AI is a simple, fast, and profitable way to create, gift, or sell AI-powered DIY art kits, and it solves real-world problems like time, skill, and cost. If you're looking for a creative side hustle or a fresh product idea for 2025, this one's a gem. Remember, the launch discount and dime sale are live right now, meaning the price increases with every sale. So grab it early, lock in the bonuses, and start creating printable art kits today. Click the first link below to secure your access before the bonuses disappear. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more software reviews, and drop a comment below if you've tried Line Art Studio AI. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Your bonuses and access links are waiting for you in the description and pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside your new Line Art Studio AI dashboard.